Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Here in this generalist, scroll and find accounts and backup and tap on backup data. Basically you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you want to, you can check our tutorial of how to do it. You can simply enter manage accounts and add the account right here. Or you can do it using backup data. It's totally up to you. So let's tap on it. And here we will be transferred to this backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to check to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. Alright, so and of course confirm everything with your screen lock. It is required. And now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.